April 1st is April Fool's. So is Easter Sunday. Here are some Easter-themed April Fool's pranks. You'll need chocolate eggs and some grapes. Start off by taking out the chocolate from there and use the wrapper to wrap the grape. It's egg-shaped, see? Make enough candy-wrapped grapes to trick your friends. Bonus points if you put it in an Easter egg hunt. For the next one, cut out a bunch of letter E's with brown construction paper. I used the library letter cutter. Now that you cut out a bunch of letter E's, put them in a brownie pan and cover up in foil. Now you have brownies. Next one, you need Googly Eyes and Elmer's glue. This one isn't a prank to get mad at, but it's pretty lighthearted. Just put Googly Eyes over anything. It'll come off easily, it's fine. So I put them in my fridge and on a bunch of fruit. The next one takes some time, so poke a hole from an egg and drain the insides out. You can use the rest to make some scrambled eggs. Let it dry and put some confetti inside. Seal it in with some tape. Bonus points if you decorate it. Now you can crack it over someone's head.